you're living how you're feeling, versatile squad, y'all, man. As y'all can see, it is time for part 2 of the TORQSTORM supercharger install, man. And today we're going to be installing the ATi Super Damper that comes with the kit. You get the harmonic balancer right here. We have the, I believe it's a 15% reduction on here. Let's see, we check right here on the box. Yeah, 15% underdrive. And this is going to be your hub that it's going to sit on. And it comes with your hardware. And it also comes with another pulley that goes on the front of here. But for the TORQSTORM, it comes with its own supplied pulley, man. And this thing is going to look good on the front of the engine. So let's go ahead and get the truck in here, man. Get a cold start for y'all. And let's get into this TORQSTORM supercharger build, man. Let's give a huge shout out to 797 Performance. Look at this nice t-shirt they provided your boy, man. They gave me a partial sponsorship, man. They got anything from superchargers to nice apparels, not just for Mopar too. They got Ford, GM, LT, LS engines, man. Whatever you need for Jeeps, I'm talking about anything, man. Not just performance mods. They got fluid additives, you know, you need to tune up. They got spark plugs for you. Make sure y'all get at them, man. Ready for you. Y'all let me know how that front end look, man. Sheesh. Went Demon hood with the Rebel grill, gloss black. Got some underglow in here too. And this, man. The build is coming along, man. Now that we about to get that supercharger with this 6.4. Oh yeah. I can't wait to clean this up. This looks junky right now because I took the 6.4 manifold out, so it looks a little crazy right now. But man, this Hellcat throttle body sucks in air so, oh my, y'all gotta hear that. That's no supercharger. Just wait till the supercharger on there, man. Let's go ahead and get the battery disconnected, get this fan out the way, and we'll be able to get to the harmonic balancer. Alright, y'all, so with that fan out of the way, you don't have to remove the radiator hose. Keep your coolant in there, you ain't gotta worry about draining it. And you have a lot of room down there, man. We're gonna have room to drill out that crank, you know what I'm talking about? Pin it up and do what we need to do. Alright, man, I was actually been struggling with this harmonic balancer for for about an hour and a half now. What you have to do is with these arms, you gotta pop them in. You gotta pop these pins out, pop the arms in first, and then you're able to screw the main body into the harmonic balancer. And I'm using an extension right now with the medium, I believe. No, the smallest rod, the smallest force rod. It is now coming off pretty easily, man. Look, like butter. This thing will hit you in your face. If you don't at least have a hand up or something, man, just make sure. Oh, here it is, how to hit me. Oh, yeah. Don't worry about that oil leak, y'all can see it. That's one of the gaskets. That's what I get for using cheap 4-pan gaskets. We are almost done. Yes, sir. Boom. Ooh, ouch. Like I said, I used a little small extension to stay in there, and then I pushed it out. with the smallest push rod. Shout out to Efer Garage on YouTube. He actually showed me you got to put the claws in first before you put the main body, because man, if not, you're gonna sit there fighting trying to get the right angle on there. All right, y'all, like I was saying, now we got to get the ATi dampener pulley assembled. It has little dials right here, these little dots right here, one right here, and then another one on the inside of the harmonic balancer right here, if you can see that. You're going to line those up, and that's pretty much going to center your holes for you. Let me go get some blue Loctite. The bolts actually come with Loctite, but you know, you got to double secure it. Because this is why I built my first motor. Damn crankshaft bolt backed out on it. That's a video right there, man. Crankshaft backed out, and then the motor blew on me. But let's get this installed, man, and then we'll be able to push it on and then get the crankshaft drilled. All right, y'all, so once you get all these bolts torqued down, you're gonna wanna head over here, take out your coil pack and one of your spark plugs for piston number 1. And now we're gonna have that crank bolt reinstalled. Now we're gonna spin the motor clockwise and try to get, I have a little insert. You need some kind of marker that'll fit down into the engine. So once this reaches TDC, top dead center, we'll know we'll be able to put the pulley on and pin the crank, man. It's gonna be hard doing this with one person, but we're gonna get it done. So I'm just spinning the engine. We're waiting for it to. That's the hard part. Boom. Right there, didn't move. It said TDC. Alright, y'all, so I have this little, come on, focus for me, baby. I have this 330 foot-pound little Avid motor, right? Little Avid impact. You would think it would work. It's a 1/2-inch drive and everything. Nope. So, we're bringing out the big boys. We got the pneumatic impact now. They can go up to 8,500 free speed if we need it. We don't even need it that much though. This for sure gonna get it done though. Let's go ahead and finish setting the pulley, then we'll be able to drill the crank. Alright, y'all, so 2 days later, finally got step 3 done, man. It was really hard to set the harmonic balancer. Need to add lube, PB Blaster, WD-40, anything but baby oil, and you'll be good. And also, you need a pneumatic impact if you don't have a quality electric impact, because it's not going to get it done. It's going to kill that battery, man. But now that we have that done, let's move on to step 4. Now you're going to want to get your caliper and measure from the side with the lip sticking out. It's going to be 8.5. You might not have that extra 0.5 inches right there at the end. You might just have the 0.85 like I do, depending on your caliper. Oh man, you're trying to run away from me. But yeah, I already got mine marked out. You can wrap a little piece of tape right there around there, or get a stopper. That way, let's get to it, man. Step 6. Go ahead and put everything, get your supply bolt they gave you. Get the crank drilling tool. We'll be ready to drill our holes, man. Nothing to it but to do it. Make sure it's flat like that, man, too, and it got a nice small lip in there. Alright, y'all, so that's how your harmonic balancer is supposed to look once it's finally seated. Now, let's get our tool. You see that keyway in there up top? You want to get these holes sideways so we're not aligned with it. Have it like that. Then you can use your supply bolt that looks like your factory bolt. Comes in the pin kit. Thread that in there to keep this still while you're drilling. It'll help keep it still. Alright, y'all, we on the meta glasses, so hopefully y'all can see this hole pretty clearly, man. Finally got these holes drilled 2 days later. Actually had to get another drill bit. Drill bit broke. And go back to using a regular drill, because you actually have enough room to get a regular drill in here. And that got it done with this Milwaukee drill bit. Not a Milwaukee tool, but had to use one with the 6-amp battery. It was a lot of force, man. You can get in here and do it. It's gonna take some time though. Well, let's go ahead and get these dowel pins lubed up so they can slide right in. Then it'll be time to put our ATi pulley on. This is gonna be the fun part, cause it's like wrestling with a. Oh, she got in there. Let's see if we can do one more. Man, don't that look good? Finally got the new ATi pulley on there, man. Pinned, drilled. Know what I'm talking about. And now that you have that on there, you're actually good to drive the truck or car if you need to, if need be. But man, finally got that on there, man. After a long 2 days. So, to take note, man, lots of lubricant. Get some cutting oil from Amazon or O'Reilly's or whatever. Get some cutting oil. You're gonna need it. Lots of lube. Regular drill, just fine. Right angle drill, you can use it. I was using both. So to keep, the drill bits cool, keep a sharp bit, keep a clean cut going. So I would alternate from when the compressor would die on the air drill, I'll switch to my hand drill. And once my air compressor built back up, switch back to the hand drill or back to the air dryer, the air dye grinder. And I would just switch back and forth, alternating. And eventually, man, you'll be able to drill that hole. Also, you need the Milwaukee. I'm gonna throw a picture up right now. Shout out to that guy on the Facebook forums, man, because without that, I would have been stuck. I was completely baffled at how hard it was to drill this crank, man, but we got it done. But with that being said, man, that's gonna be it for this one. Y'all remember, stay versatile, treat each day like it's your Friday, man, and stay at it like it's your last. We out.